What if I told you a tiny orange gadget could replace your smartphone one day?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what the Rabbit R1 is trying to do. This little AI-powered device exploded across the internet almost overnight. Tech YouTubers, TikTok creators, and AI enthusiasts are all talking about it. Some people are calling it revolutionary, while others think it's completely overhyped. So today we're going to fully test the Rabbit R1 and answer one important question. Is this actually the future of AI gadgets, or just another tech trend that people will forget in a few months? By the end of this video, you'll know what Rabbit R1 actually does, who should buy it, the hidden problems nobody talks about, and whether this device is worth your money in 2026. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into one of the most viral AI gadgets in the world right now. First of all, what exactly is this thing? The Rabbit R1 is an AI-powered handheld device designed to act like a smart assistant. It was created to simplify everyday tasks using artificial intelligence. Instead of opening apps manually like you do on a smartphone, the Rabbit R1 uses AI voice commands to perform actions for you. For example, ordering food, playing music, searching the internet, answering questions, booking services, translating language, controlling smart apps. And it tries to do all of that with natural conversation. The company behind Rabbit says the R1 is designed around something called a large action model. Basically, instead of just understanding language like ChatGPT, it's supposed to actually do actions for you. That's the big idea here. And honestly, that sounds incredibly futuristic, but does it work well in real life? We'll find out. The first thing you notice about the Rabbit R1 is definitely the design. It doesn't look like a smartphone at all. It's small, bright orange, minimalistic, and honestly, kind of adorable. It feels more like a futuristic toy than a serious tech product. The device has a small touchscreen, a rotating camera, a scroll wheel, and a push-to-talk button. The compact size makes it extremely portable. You can literally put this thing in your pocket and forget it's there. Now, personally, I actually love the unique design. Most gadgets today look boring and identical, but the Rabbit R1 stands out immediately. If you take this device outside in public, people will ask you about it. And for content creators, that's a huge advantage because unique products create curiosity. Now let's talk about setup. This is where things become interesting. Setting up the Rabbit R1 is surprisingly simple. You connect to Wi-Fi, log into your account, and start using voice commands. The interface is minimal, which makes it beginner-friendly. But there's also a downside. The device still feels very dependent on cloud services and internet connectivity. Without internet, the experience becomes extremely limited. And that's important because some people expect this to work like a fully independent AI assistant. Right now, it's not there yet. Still, the setup process itself is smooth and modern. Okay, this is the most important part. How good is the AI? Honestly, the results are mixed. Sometimes the Rabbit R1 feels magical. You ask it something naturally, and it responds quickly with useful information. For example, what's the weather tomorrow? Play relaxing music. Find the cheapest flights. Summarize this web page. And sometimes, it actually feels faster than using a smartphone. But other times the AI struggles badly. There are delays, misunderstood commands, random errors, slow responses, and occasionally it completely fails simple tasks. This inconsistency is probably the biggest weakness of the Rabbit R1 right now. The idea is amazing, but the execution still needs improvement. Now, this is the big question. Can Rabbit R1 replace your phone? Short answer, no, at least not yet. Your smartphone still does. Social media, gaming, photography, messaging, video calls, editing, navigation, banking, and multitasking much better. The Rabbit R1 feels more like a companion device rather than a replacement. Think of it as an experimental AI gadget, not a complete smartphone killer, but this product gives us a glimpse into the future, and that's why people are so fascinated by it. The Rabbit R1 includes a rotating camera, and honestly, it's decent for casual use. Photos are okay in good lighting, but compared to modern smartphones, it's nowhere close. This is not a photography device. The camera is mainly useful for AI visual recognition, scanning objects, quick snapshots, video calls. And that's completely fine. Because the camera isn't the main selling point here, the AI experience is. Battery life is surprisingly decent. For light use, the Rabbit R1 can last most of the day, but heavy AI usage drains battery faster than expected, especially if you constantly use voice commands, cloud processing, camera features, internet tasks. Still, battery performance is acceptable for a first-generation product. After using Rabbit R1 daily, I realized something important. This device is fun, and that matters more than people think. Technology becomes exciting when it feels different. The Rabbit R1 makes you curious. You want to test commands, you want to experiment, and that creates a unique experience. But after the excitement fades, you start noticing limitations. Sometimes using your phone is simply easier. That's the truth. You should buy Rabbit R1 if you love AI technology, you enjoy futuristic gadgets, you create tech content, you're an early adopter, you enjoy experimenting with new devices. But if you want a stable phone replacement, powerful apps, gaming performance, professional productivity, then this probably isn't for you. So, is Rabbit R1 worth buying? Here's my honest opinion. The Rabbit R1 is not perfect. In fact, it still feels unfinished in some areas, but it's one of the most exciting tech products we've seen in years. Not because of what it is today, but because of what it represents for the future. This device shows us where AI hardware could be heading. And honestly, that future looks very interesting. If Rabbit continues improving the software and AI capabilities, future versions could become truly revolutionary. But right now, think of the Rabbit R1 as a futuristic AI experiment, a conversation starter, and a glimpse into next-generation technology. Would I recommend it? For tech enthusiasts and creators? Yes. For average users? Maybe wait for the next version. So that was the Rabbit R1 review. Would you buy this AI gadget? Do you think AI devices like this are the future, or are smartphones still unbeatable? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.